Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Joe here. Well, today we're back at camp and I brought some chicken back here. There's like breast and drums, maybe a thigh, some wings, some mac and cheese, just Kraft in a box, and I brought a can of green beans back here. We're gonna build a fire and try to do some grilling back here. It's really nice out. It's close to 4 o'clock in the afternoon and 60 degrees out, sunny. So I figured it'd be a good time to get out here and do this. I'll spin you around and we're getting ready to get this baby going. I know a lot of people's probably seen that old mower back there. I broke a belt on it a while back. I need to get it out of here, get it fixed or figure out something. I've already replaced a couple belts on it and it keeps breaking, so I need to do something. Alright, so here's our setup. Got a couple pots out. I'm going to do green beans, mac and cheese. There's a little milk there, and I got some butter for our mac and cheese. Or chicken. I've already put a rub on it that I made. I had a bottle of seasoning that I used up, and I made it with paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, some smoked chilies that I made out of the garden, and dehydrated, ground up, salt, pepper, and I think that's about it. So we're getting ready to build our fire. I'm gonna break up some sticks real quick and we're gonna get this going. It's super nice out. So we're just gonna hang out back here and cook us some dinner up. Now it's burning pretty good. I'm gonna go ahead and clean this grate, give her a little wipe down. I think I just singed some of the hair on my arm. I had to put my long sleeve shirt on. Sun's starting to drop down a little and it's getting chilly out. All right, I'm gonna let that heat up a little and I'm gonna go ahead and get our water going here in just a second for our beans and mac and cheese. So I just drained the juice out of the canning jar of our green beans and dumped them in this little pot here, and I'm gonna set them directly right there. And I didn't bring no beef broth or anything like that. I'm just gonna put some water in it and I have some garlic powder, salt and pepper. I meant to bring some onion powder back, but I already carried so much stuff, so I forgot. I'm just going to put a little bit of garlic, pepper, and that salt. And I'm going to let them come to a little simmer and start giving her a little mix up. I'm going to go ahead and add our chicken also. So like I said, I done put the rub on these while I was down at the house, and I'm just going to put these. So that's a breast, thigh. My mom, I think I told everybody, she's living with me now all the time, and she's a diabetic, so I need to kind of calm down on doing all that fried food I've been doing. And she loves it just as much as I do, but you all know it ain't good for us to eat so much. And I'm just going to kind of move these back a little bit. Alright, so we have our chicken on. I'm going to put a pot of water on. I may sprinkle a little bit more rub on those. That's a little bit better of an angle. So I'm just going to add a little bit of this where it came off. These were still a little bit froze earlier. All right. And then I'm going to grab our pot of water and put it on, get it boiling for our mac and cheese. Now that I'm cooking, the girls finally laid down. They've been running around and I've been having to call them back. But now they smell this food and they're not going anywhere. In about 5 minutes, I'm going to flip that chicken. All right, we're going to give her a flip here. I was trying to keep it from sticking like it is. I'm going to go ahead and move it over. I didn't want to cook it too much yet before I flipped it, because I'm going to add some more of that rub on this side of it. Oh man, those smell delicious already. You smell all them herbs and spices. All right, let me grab this rub and I'll sprinkle it down. And then that'll be all the spices I'm going to put on that. All right. Our beans are about to start boiling. Our water for our mac and cheese it's getting there. It's going to take it a little bit longer. But we're right on track. All right, it's been, I don't know, about 20 minutes or so. I've been just flipping these here and there, and I added a little stick of wood to one side so I can get I still haven't got that water hot enough for our mac and cheese yet. I've just been kind of moving these around just a little at a time, and they are looking good. Our green beans, they are looking really good too. So as soon as our water starts to boil in this, trying to straighten that lid up, my holder for it don't want to work. As soon as that starts to boil, I'm going to add our mac and cheese. And we're just going to keep on cooking. Well, we just had a visitor show up. She's back there behind that tree. She comes back here. I camped out last year in my hammock back here. She come back and slept with me underneath my hammock all night long. Sat there and pawed at me trying to get in. And she's one of the dogs. All right, our food is looking pretty good. Our mac and cheese. Ava, leave her alone. Look at this. Ava, be good to her. So our mac and cheese, I got the noodles is almost done here. I'll just give you a quick peek. I think they should be to where I can pull them off here and strain them. Our chicken's about, I mean, it should be pretty much done. Yeah, our noodles is done. So I'm going to go ahead and drain this water and make up some mac and cheese real quick. All right, we're going to make up this mac and cheese real quick. What I have here is, it's a quart of canned whole milk. And I'm going to add about that much to about a quarter cup. This is marjoram. I really don't like marjoram, but it is what it is right now. So I'm going to throw that in there. I don't have butter, so that's what I got. Throw some pepper in there. And I'm just going to add a little bit of, just a little bit of salt. And our fake cheese pack. Heck, if you're going to throw marjoram in it, you might as well throw the fake cheese to it. Alright, let's mix this up. And our green beans is done. The chicken's done. I'm going to mix this up real good. Let it cool for a minute. And thicken up and set up and break all that stuffed down all that cheese in there, and I'll bring you back whenever we're getting ready to plate up. All right, well, here we have it, our mac and cheese. Green beans, I'm not going to put the spoon in there yet. And our chicken, let me see if I can get it in the light. Got a great color. Smoky. Oh, what do you want? Okay, I'm going to sit you up. I'm going to make a plate real quick. See if I can angle that light. There we go. All right, so I'm a wing and drum guy, well, and thigh, but I'm going to eat the wings and the drums here. A little bit of this mac and cheese. All right, let's get some of these. There's a little moth right there. Not anymore. A little extra protein in that juice now. I love green beans. These are out of the garden last year. All right, so there we have it. I'm going to set us up and we're going to eat. My microphone went dead on this. I hope everybody has a good week. Thanks for watching. And we're gonna cut this video off. If you made it this far, that's what's going on, is mic cut off. So thanks again for watching, and we'll see you guys again next time.